What's going on, everybody? It's Tactical Trash Panda, just doing another unboxing video. Well, I did already unbox this, but I wanted to do another video just for the hell of it. So, let's begin. Hope everybody's been doing well this past week. So, I got a package from Brownells. If you guys don't know, I'm a proud BOP member. And, so they surprised me with another package. I wasn't expecting it. So check out the sweet hat. Man, this thing seems like it's perfect for summer. This trucker hat. I know a few of you seen this on maybe Instagram. I've definitely seen a couple people post it. So yeah, man, definitely will be repping this thing. This thing is sweet. They got me another patch, man. I wonder if it's the same patch or if it's different in any way. Let's check it out. Let's compare it to the last one I got. So that's the new one. That's the old one. They both look the same to me. Slight difference, but I don't know if that's intentional or they slightly changed up the design. But thank you guys. I love these things. These are some of the baddest patches out there, man. If you ask me. So last thing that's in the box. Oh, grunt style. Know what this is? Oh yeah. You can never have enough t-shirts. Not only do I get a badass looking patch, but I get another BOP t-shirt. Guys, if you've ever had the pleasure of wearing one of these, you know the quality feels amazing. Look at that backing right there. Brownells Bureau of Propaganda. You can't buy these, guys. You gotta earn them. Thanks for watching, everybody. It's Tactical Trash Panda once again, and see you next time. I appreciate you guys watching. Please hit that like, subscribe, share button. Leave a comment. It helps the channel. Yeah, guys, enjoy your weekend. Take care.